Good morning, everyone. This is Desiree Aquin Florencio, and now we will talk about the online collaboration. Online collaboration learnings refers to learning that incorporates intentional interaction among students for purpose increase learning and student growth. Effective collaborative activities can help develop an active online environment, promoting increased motivation, engagement, and student connection. After that, collaboration is one of the most important assets in effect of learning for both student and teachers. Educate working together can create materials that are better than the sum of the parts. The modern learning industry has been indicate with technology that makes working together to maximize learning outcomes and learning experience.